Hello again, YouTube, and I'm back with a little video, to show some folks that may get that may be kind of tired of pull start lawnmowers. What happened was, I had replaced the pull start, the rope, a couple of times, and I kind of got tired of it. So what happened is, I pulled it out one time and it broke. I took it in and it got repaired, and then I brought it back, and a few months later it broke again. I was like, there's got to be a better way. So I was doing some research on YouTube, just looking at the videos, and I found out that, you can actually create one of these and use a drill to start your lawnmower. So what you have here is, if you look at my lawnmower here, this is where the pull start was. And here is a hole that I drilled out in the middle. And if you look down into the hole, you'll see that there's a bolt and a nut there that just happens to fit this socket. This is a 1/2-inch socket. And so what I did was I went to Home Depot. I got a bolt, a nut, and I had an old socket that I use. It happens to fit right on top of there. And then I can take this, put it in the drill, and start my lawnmower. And I've been using it for a while. It works out pretty good. This little socket here, this nut here, I soldered it on so that it won't be sliding or anything, and it's been really handy. And I'll never have to replace another pull start mechanism again. So that was great. That was awesome. I'm not going to start it up or anything because I got one hand, and I need to cut the grass. But I just wanted to show some folks that, give you an idea. Just go to Home Depot, get you a nut, a bolt, solder it on. You can look on the inside and kind of get an idea of what we're talking about. And if you got a really beefy drill, you should be fine. Anyway, just another idea for you folks out there that have been thinking about it. It works great. All right, take care, YouTube.